Hey future millionaires! Today I'm sharing the best 4 digital product ideas that you need to start selling right now. These are making people thousands of dollars. And these aren't just trendy, these actually solve problems. It only takes you 10 minutes to really put these together, and you can then sell that one digital product multiple amounts of times over the next 5 to 10 years to truly create passive income for yourself. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Isabella, and I became a millionaire within 2 years thanks to the power of online business and social media. In this video, not only am I gonna share the best 4 digital products that you need to start selling right now, but I'm also gonna show you hacks to create them and how to launch them as a complete beginner. People usually charge thousands of dollars for the education I give you guys 100% free on my YouTube channel, and all I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. So the number 1 digital product that I have on my list today, I know everybody says it, is ebooks, but everybody's saying it because it's just factually true that this is one of the best digital products and the most profitable that you can sell. You don't have to be a pro writer, and you don't need experience of writing to actually create one. You also don't have to be a pro in anything. You just have to solve a problem for a specific group of people. That's what makes it the most profitable, because you're solving a direct problem. The more you define and narrow this down, the easier it gets to actually create this product. And the more simplified the marketing strategies become as well. You can also write ebooks literally in minutes. Tools like this one, Trend Assist AI, can help you brainstorm and write very quickly. For example, you can ask the AI, I'm a mom teaching mindset hacks. Give me 10 trending digital product ideas. You're gonna pick your favorite one and then say, can you write an ebook titled The Positive Mom, Mindset Hacks for Optimistic Living? Then on Trend Assist AI, go into their digital product template section. You're gonna click on one of these and import it into Canva. So now you have your ebook template ready to go, and you can then import the information that you're getting that was written in Trend Assist AI right into this actual ebook, and your ebook is now ready to go. And these templates are super unique and high performing, so your product and ebook itself is gonna be on point, and the better your product is, the more you can charge for it. So this is very important to have. The number 2 most profitable digital product to sell is custom printable wall art. You don't have to be an artist anymore to actually sell art. You just have to know how to use AI. Digital posters are selling like crazy on Etsy. Some of these are even making $7,000 with 0 shipping and handling. You'll see a lot of people selling these motivational quotes, wall arts, or aesthetic wall arts that they make with Canva. And they literally make thousands of dollars monthly doing this. But imagine if you took it one step further and actually created custom artwork for people. And when I say custom, it doesn't mean you have to do anything but know how to prompt, because nowadays, ChatGPT, you can literally just put a prompt into ChatGPT, ask it to create a design or image for you, describing what it is, and it will literally send it to you right back in seconds. I literally have the free ChatGPT and I'm doing this, and it's just so crazy because most people don't even realize you can do this yet. So you can start capitalizing on this before this actually becomes like a known thing. And the possibilities for this are literally endless. Look and see what people already are selling right now. I like to just literally go on Etsy, just to scroll on Etsy and see what's being sold there. And you can just start to get so many different ideas this way. Or you can literally ask Trend Assist AI to share with you trending things that are going right now, and they'll be able to do that as well. And you're able to actually send ChatGPT like a photo of a family or a photo of you or a photo of a dog, and then ask it to then change that photo into artwork. So it's actually really crazy. Like I've even been playing around with this, and I've made some really cool artwork that like I would even put this like in my office or in my house. It's so amazing how these images are able to be produced completely unique, completely custom, and it literally takes seconds to make. So you could tell people, submit a photo of yourself, and then you take that photo that they submit of themselves, you put it into ChatGPT, you ask the same prompt that whatever you're doing, and then you create that photo for that person. And you could sell this for way more than just these like motivational quotes, because it's something so unique and custom. So you're gonna profit way more on this. And not that many people know about this yet. Number 3 top selling digital product is digital planners. This That Girl planner on Etsy is estimated to bring over $2,500 every single month, just passive income. And it's just a digital product. So again, no shipping and handling. Niche planners like for homeschool parents are also in demand and super customizable. I went ahead and did some research for you guys, and I put together a bunch more digital planners that are trending right now. And I was able to formulate this using Trend Assist AI, but here is what I came up with. So you could do, again, that Girl planner. always trendy for like young girls in like high school, college, mom life planner, student study planner, ADHD friendly neurodivergent planners, content creation, social media planners, budget and finance planners, wellness mental health planners. And again, you can always scroll through Etsy and get inspired that way. And like I'm showing you right now, you can develop even more digital product ideas using AI. Instead of just overthinking this, let the AI help you so you can start taking action. Platforms like Trend Assist AI are beginner friendly and focus on market research to help you develop the digital product ideas, write your ebooks, and so much more. This tool specializes in digital products, so you'll be able to get all the content written that will make you stand out from the competition. Not to mention that this platform also specializes in digital marketing to help you organically market your content across all social media platforms and bring in the sales, which we're going to talk about a little bit later in this video. Speaking of getting sales, now it's time to sell. So a lot of people in the digital marketing, digital product world will recommend Gumroad. I do not recommend this one because they literally charge up to 10% and sometimes more off every single one of your transactions, which might not seem like a lot, but it's going to add up over time. One of my favorite online store hosts is definitely Hostainer. They have 0% transaction fees, and they also have an AI website builder in their platform. To access their AI store builder and Hostainer, I put the link for this down in my description box below. Once you click that, it's gonna bring you to this page. Not only is this platform the most affordable, but it also provides the most features in selling digital products. It's not 100% free, but in a sense, it's much cheaper than Gumroad, where Gumroad is going to charge you 10% of every single sale. This platform has 0% transaction fees, and it's $3.49 per month when going with the 48-month plan. So let's just say you're going to go with this business plan. I do recommend this plan because it does include the AI tools that Premium does not. But more importantly, it does have these e-commerce tools that are needed to sell your products, so you'll pick this one. Then just select the length of the plan. The longer you go, the bigger discount you'll have. So I recommend the 48-month one because digital products are not going to go away anytime soon. You're probably going to keep on adding more to your store anyways. You're also going to get a free domain and business email with this as well. And right here where it says, do you have a coupon code? Just type in this code, Baddie in Business, for even more money off of the already discounted pricing. Once you're done with that, you're going to just come over to this page where you can start building your website using the AI builder. So just click on Start Now. Then we're going to select Hostinger's Builder with AI to make our website. Like I said, you also get the free domain with this. So let's click Create a Domain Name, and we're going to select our store name and select a .store domain. It does help you sell more because it actually tells people that it's a store when they're clicking on it. And online stores on .store get 87% more traffic and 2 times higher ranking on Google search. Now you're going to just fill out these forms here to tell the AI more about your business idea and brand missions. And of course, the more detail that you give the AI, the better it's going to build your site. So just fill this out as much as you can. And in minutes, you now have the digital product online store built for you. You can then use the drag and drop features to customize the website. You can pick different colors, fonts, layouts, and branding. And the website customization editing is super simple. As you guys can see, there's no coding needed. And we literally created this beautiful website for our online digital products in less than 10 minutes. I know this is a lot of information, so I actually made an entire free step-by-step course on this topic on my YouTube channel for you guys. So I will put that link for the digital product free course right in my description box down below and in the top comment, which will show you this entire process of building your online store completely more thorough so you guys get a full idea and understanding of how to build it, and so you guys will not miss anything. And I really go slower and like step by step, so it's much better for your education. And remember guys, you can design the best product in the world, but if you do not have the right marketing strategies in place, you are not going to get the actual sales. And you don't need an audience to make sales with digital products. This is a complete false thought that people have, is they think, oh, I need an audience in order to get sales of my digital product. This is not true. You can start completely from scratch as a beginner with 0 followers and start getting sales immediately. Again, like what I talked about in the beginning, the more you specifically solve a problem, the higher sales you're actually going to get. Because this topic is, again, how to get sales so deep, I have an entire playlist on my YouTube channel called How to Get Sales, and I teach you guys organic marketing so you can start getting sales immediately without buying ads. Because I know when I started, I did not have money to buy ads or pay for ads. So definitely guys, go watch that playlist, go watch the full free digital product course, and you will learn so much. You already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses, and all I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this. Wishing you guys all the best with your digital product journey. If you have any questions about digital products or anything, leave me a comment down below and I try to respond to all of my comments. Make sure you're following me on Instagram as well at BaddieandBiz, BaddieandBiz for more business inspiration and updates. And I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye guys.